It starts with an idea. You add words, lots of words, a dash of punctuation, and a bucket of hard work, and soon you've created something unique. Your idea becomes a story. Maybe your story entertains or inspires. Maybe it educates or instructs. Perhaps it takes you to a far-off world or reminds you where you're from. Wherever your story leads, Lulu is here to help. Lulu provides free and simple tools to create, print, and sell your books online. Just upload your content and cover, and you're ready to publish and print as few or as many copies as you'd like. You can sell your book where it's most convenient for you, whether it's on our website, your website, social media, or retail channels. We've got you covered. You even have the power to automate printing and fulfillment through integrated e-commerce platforms or our API. From novels and magazines to photo books and calendars, Lulu has the publishing solutions you need to be successful. Our motto is simple: publish, print, prosper. That's our story. What's yours?